Hi friends, it's Monday, May 20th, 2020 at 11:40 in the morning. This is the same excavator that dug our property and he's digging on the property across ours. So I just thought to take this video because this is really nice to watch. He's trying to get all this dirt and I'm gonna let you watch it. Let me move a little bit closer. He is the same excavator driver that's digging this property. His name is Lehigh. Let me see if I can get a little bit closer. Later this afternoon, he will be coming to our property to do the backfilling of the dirt around the property. It looks like he is stopping now. And he is coming out. Alright friends, I'll update you later. Thank you and see you later. Bye bye.